Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted destination for honest and insightful gadget reviews. In today's video, we're taking a look at what we consider the best hand mixer lightweight for seniors, the CHIDOLL 5-speed electric hand mixer with turbo boost. Let's dive into why this mixer deserves your attention and how it stands out in a crowded market of kitchen appliances. At first glance, the CHIDOLL mixer impresses with its compact and elegant white design. It's lightweight at just 2.75 pounds, making it incredibly easy to handle, especially for seniors or anyone who prefers a mixer that doesn't strain the wrist. But don't let its portability fool you. This hand mixer packs a serious punch. The turbo boost function gives you an instant surge of power at the press of a button, which is perfect for tougher mixing jobs or when you're in a hurry. Let's talk about speed. This mixer offers 5 precise speed settings that let you choose exactly the level of intensity your recipe calls for. Whether you're mixing pancake batter, mashed potatoes, cake batter, or kneading dough, you can go from a gentle stir to full power effortlessly. And switching speeds is simple, thanks to the intuitive push-button control system. One of the standout features of this product is convenience. The CHIDOLL hand mixer comes with a smart storage case that neatly holds the unit and all its attachments. That includes 2 beaters, 2 dough hooks, and 2 whisks, all made of food-grade stainless steel. This means no more digging through drawers trying to find the right attachment, and everything stays clean and organized in one place. Now let's take a closer look at the accessories. The beaters are great for everyday mixing and whipping. The dough hooks make kneading bread or pizza dough effortless, and the whisks handle eggs and light batters with ease. All attachments are dishwasher safe, which saves you cleanup time and keeps your kitchen routine stress-free. Another user-friendly touch is the one-handed eject button. With a single press, you can easily remove any attachment without touching messy beaters or hooks. This not only adds to the convenience but also makes it more hygienic. The mixer is designed with front and rear air vents for efficient heat dissipation, which ensures stable performance and extends the life of the appliance. That means you can use it for longer mixing tasks without worrying about overheating. Definitely seniors looking for something lightweight and powerful. But it's also a solid choice for beginners, busy home bakers, or anyone with limited kitchen space. It offers versatility without the bulk of a stand mixer and gives you pro-level results without the complexity. To wrap up, the CHIDOLL 5-speed electric hand mixer is a smart, affordable, and reliable addition to any kitchen. With its powerful motor, thoughtful design, convenient storage, and user-friendly operation, it strikes the right balance between function and simplicity. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest product breakdowns. See you in the next video.